Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Lynzie Vlogs. This afternoon, I'm just going to teach you on how to mute the muted songs on YouTube. So, ang ituturo ko po sa inyo ngayong araw na yun guys, ay kung paano po i-mute po natin yung mga song covers or songs na naka-muted po sa mga channels po natin. So, without further ado, let's get started! Okay, this is how to unmute our muted songs on YouTube or song covers on YouTube. So the first thing that we are going to do is we should click here, the profile picture. So this one. So we should choose the YouTube Studio here. Should click that one. Then after that one, so we should click here, choose the videos. Then from here, so we should find a song cover like me that is muted. So I'm going to unmute it. So I have to find an example, guys. So let's say for example this one. So when we are going to listen this one, I'm sure it has no sounds because I was muted this last few weeks, a few days ago. So you heard now guys that it has no sounds. So I'm going to unmute that because that was not it has not already when we go to the restrictions, none. Then but we should use this here, use this one. Should paste this very important disclaimer, and then after that we find here at the left side the editor. Here we should choose the editor. First, after this one, we should click save. Then we go back here. So find the editor, and here we go. So we are already here in the editor. So from here, we should at the right side, we should click the here the Revert to original. Yeah, because from here, just the audio. Then after this one, at the right portion on the right side, we should revert to the original, meaning to say babalik natin sa original. So when this one appeared, this window or message, revert to original, all elements and edits will be removed from your video. This change cannot be undone. So revert the original. Revert to original. You should choose. So we should wait, guys. Titingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. So, let's see an example, guys. So, mayroong message dito. Video is being processed. Please check back later. So, yan. Si-check natin. Hayaan natin na o-open tayo dito. Check back later. So, go back tayo sa channel natin. Check natin. At tingnan natin kung anong nangyayari. So, we'll see if it has changes for a while na. Hintayin natin guys ha. So, here we go. So, puntahan natin yung yung title na Heal the World. At titingnan natin at we'll see if it has already changes. Here. So, ito try natin ngayon. So, let's try if it has already sounds. Ayan. So, hayaan natin yung advertisement ha. Lagyan natin ng sounds. Hayaan natin yung ads matapos guys ha. So let's let the ads finish guys. So yan. So from now we're going to listen. So parang wala pa po siya. So I think it's still processing right now. So go back tayo. Pupuntahan natin. Titingnan natin. Kano ba talaga nangyari? Yan. Ito nakalagay. Yung restrictions po niya guys, still checking. Nag-check pa muna siya. Hayaan natin guys try natin itong papalitan. Sandali ito. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari. Click natin save. Okay. Here. So yan, kita na natin na so restrictions niya na naman po kanina pero naka-muted pa rin siya kanina. Try natin ngayon guys ha. Parang wala pa po siya din siya. Wala siyang sounds dito guys. Hintay lang tayo guys ha. Dito tingnan natin.
in the making. Have a great breakfast with all the cheesy spread, made with almost 90% fresh milk. That's why it's rich.
You should need to be patient when we are doing like this, guys. Here. So let's wait. Advertisement will be finished, guys. Oh, yan. So, kita nyo. Oh, see? Oh, wow. Nice. Oh, here, guys. So, yan. So, yun lang, guys. So, yun, so hopefully na may natutunan po kayo sa video ko po ngayon. So that's it, guys. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell para po ma-updated po kayo kapag may bago pa akong video. God bless us all, and then
So, hopefully may natutunan po kayo, or hopefully you'll learn a lot from my video for this afternoon. So, yun lang, guys. So, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko po, please click the subscribe button right now and hit the bell button so that you will get updated every time I have a new video. So, that's all. I will say bye-bye. Good afternoon.